everyone, here I'll explain to you about accepting yourself. We must love yourself before we love each other. Thank you.
Hello everyone, now I want to explain about one of 12 values of peace. That is, no suspicion, no prejudice. We must not judge someone by first impression. Someone who seems like a bad person, not necessarily is really a bad person. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, here I'll explain to you about accepting ourselves. We must love ourselves before we love each other. Thank you.
Difference is not something strange, ugly, and bad. Everyone is unique. Everyone is a like rainbow. Each person has its own like and color. Without like and a different color, the rainbow will look same one color. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Here I will explain to you about accepting yourself. We must love yourself.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings. My name is Farah and I was a student of Pesantren Welas Asih, 8th grade. And I'm here wanna tell you about the one of the 12 values of peace. Call it love yourself. Why the reason why we have to love ourselves? It's actually a simple thing, cause be yourself or love it is one part that was things we have to do. Allah make us in every of human have their kind of unique things they have, and it's almost all of it is different. Okay, for example, actually, when all your friend is pick B and you're the one who want to pick A, it's okay. Be different from other else. It's actually good. Doesn't was such a bad thing. If you scare, God will it because of different but with others, just don't listen to them. Just be yourself, okay? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Shitki and now I'm gonna tell you about one of 1,000 problems in the world, that is bullying. Many students have their own gang and so many people are excluded. Many students choose friends even though it's okay to make friends with anyone. This problem is also related to gang problems. We don't need true gang, we can make friends with anyone, and the people who are excluded can be our best friends too. We don't need gang, make friends with anyone. Differences are beautiful. Assalamualaikum. Thank you.
Accept yourself. Every person is created with several characteristics. There are negative characteristics and some are positive. Some can be changed and some cannot be changed.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You fulfilling pretension as your rasul, you become will this your sodium and make you a reload.
You feel so good as a result you become will like to destroy and make a riot.
You will explain to you about a thing you sleep we must love you sleep before we love coach of hell. Thank you.
Hello,
Here, I will explain to you about accepting yourself. We must love yourself before we love each other. Thank you.
Do not fight because of differences, because all humans are different. Even if they are twins or not, humans are different.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This time I want to convey about the dangers of gangs. 1. You feel pretentious. As a result, you become wild, like to destroy and make a riot. 2. Because you want to be accepted as a gang member, you are tempted to take part in their activities, even though your conscience does match. For example, sex, drinking, or doing drugs. That's all from me, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 3 pieces of hardness road. 1. Violence will result in damage and leave behind pain. 2. Violence makes the problem bigger. 3. Everyone chokes up in violence will be filled guilt and resentment.
Perbedaan. All is creative. Let us various things to make this world more beautiful. Even though they are different, we can still unite, right? This is his name, Bineka Tunggal Ika. Our is most creative, diversity the business. This world so is creativity. Unity does not erase diversity. There can be no true perfect unity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's go with him to see and judge each person and individual, not from the group, individual, social status of or her identitas. Look at people as individuals who have the right to have their own friendly, not because of their group.
Hello guys, what's up? Now I gonna tell you about peace, and the topic is proud to be me. Proud to be me is accepting yourself, accepting that thing can be changed, and you must believe your God created you as best, and you must see yourself as fairly, and you not be inferior. Thank you for watching.
Let's go. We'll learn to see and judge each person as an individual, not from the group's identity, social status, or other identities. Look at people as individuals who have the right to have their own identity, not because of their group.
Hello, and I will explain to you about accepting yourself. We must love yourself before we love each other. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to present about proud to be me. First, accepting yourself and accepting things that cannot be. Then must believe that God created us as the best as possible. Be ourselves very and not be inferior. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's go. We learn to see and judge each person as individual, not from the group identitas, social status, or other identitas. Look at people as individuals who have the right to have their own identitas, not because of their group. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What do you think about the difference all over the world? The difference in the world is the cultural diversity of tribes and religions. Write 5 things that you have done to spirit out the 12 false peace. Example, I have started to accept everything that cannot be changed my life. Number 1, I have started to accepting myself. Number 2, I have tried to apologize to the person who made me uncomfortable. I have tried not to be violent in the form of concern of physical assault. And last, I have started to accept a boy or girlfriend. Maybe that enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will explain about conflict is making you bigger. There is a hikmah in conflict is making you bigger in Quran Surat Al-Ankabut 29. Ahasiban nasu ayyutraku ayyakulu amanna wa hum la yuftanun. Apakah kamu bisa mengira bahwa mereka akan dibiarkan dengan mengatakan kamu tidak beriman padahal mereka belum diuji? And the next is jika kamu telah menghadapi konflik, hati jadi lebih bersih, kinclong, soalnya konflik itu setiap cobaan membuat kita jadi lebih bijak seperti emas. Dulunya emas itu bercampur dengan bongkahan tanah, kemudian dipanaskan dan dipisahkan, baru diperoleh emas pun yang berharga. 2. Allah senang karena konflik membuat kita makin dekat dengan Dia. 3. Jika konflik sudah kita selesaikan, biasanya hubungan kita dengan yang lain jadi lebih dalam. Ada 9 cara untuk melawan konflik. Yang pertama, melarikan diri. Yang kedua, menyalahkan. Yang ketiga, menyangka. Yang keempat, melupakan. Yang kelima, berbicara empat mata. Yang keenam, minta bantuan orang ketiga. Yang ketujuh, mencela. Yang kedelapan, gosip. Yang kesembilan, berkelahi. Nah, dari 9 tips itu dibagi menjadi 3. Ada yang menyerah, berdamai, dan menghindar. Ada 3 prinsip tentang konflik. Pertama, kamu harus sadar bahwa konflik pasti akan terjadi, pasti kamu mengalaminya. Konflik ada kesempatan untukmu, kamu bisa menjadi lebih dewasa. Tapi bila kamu tak pintar menyelesaikannya, bisa-bisa konflik membuat hubungan dengan orang lain jadi rusak. Respon kita bakal menentukan akibat yang akan kita terima. Apakah kita akan semakin terjerumus dalam konflik itu atau kita mengambil jalan terbaik? Terima kasih sudah mendengarkan dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.